Magandang araw sa inyo lahat mga ka-KJ. This is Ken and this is Earning with Ken and Jens. Ang topic natin para sa ito is Lesson 10, Accounting Cycle, Trial Balance. Let's start. So, learning objectives: to know what is trial balance, to know what is the importance of trial balance. A trial balance is a statement of all the accounts in the business's ledger and their respective debit and credit balances. It is created at the end of the accounting period, usually at the end of the month or year, to ensure that the total debits are equal the total credits in the ledger. The purpose of the trial balance is to detect any errors in the accounting process by verifying that the debits and credits are in balance before the preparation of the financial statements. Sa madaling salita, trial balance daw is ito ay ang proof na ang debits at credits ay ng mga accounts na galing sa ledger ay equal at sila ay um, ready na for making the financial statements. So, dito madidetect yung error kung may mali ba sa mga amounts or sa accounts na, na, na nalagay sa trial balance or mailalagay sa mga financial statements. Okay, the trial balance includes a list of all accounts in the ledger, including assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. The total of all the debit balances must equal to the total of all the credit balances in the trial balance. If the total debits and credits do not match, it indicates that there is an error in the accounting records that needs to be identified and corrected before the financial statements can be prepared. Dito, sinasabi na dapat daw nga ang mga accounts na nakalagay sa trial balance ay equal sa debit and credit side na galing ito sa ledger at kung may error daw dahil kailangan itong ma-identify at ma-correct dahil kung hindi ang mga financial statements na magiging output need natin ay magiging mali rin at ang mga financial decision ay magiging mali din. Okay. It is important to note that while a trial balance can detect some type of errors, it does not guarantee that the accounting records are completely accurate or that there are no other errors in the records. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang sa amounts yung mga mali. Meron din tayo sa mga accounts or kung may na-omit na accounts o may nadagdag na accounts or both or may namaling mistake sa paglagay ng amount, parang ganun. Tapos, at iba pa. Therefore, it is essential to conduct additional checks and reviews of the financial records to ensure the accuracy of the financial statements. Kaya ito ng yung mga journal natin, dapat i-check natin kung tama sila. Tapos, kung tama naman, yung paglagay naman sa ledger ang tinitingnan. Tapos, pag tama din yun, at pag tama din yung total, ibig sabihin, tayo ay matagumpay na naka-create ng balance na trial balance. Okay. The basic purpose of preparing trial balance is to test the arithmetical accuracy of the ledger. If all balance of all debit balances listed in the trial balance equal to all the credit balances, this shows the ledger's arithmetical accuracy. Arithmetical accuracy, ibig sabihin yung number, no? Ibig sabihin, tama yung pagkatotal ng debits at credits. So, the trial balance is simply a list kaya nga tinatawag pala siyang trial kasi trial lang naman, hindi naman talaga siya yung final na trial. So, kapag na-check na yung yung trial balance or may na-adjust na, yun na yung adjusted trial balance natin. The trial balance is simply a list of debit and credit balances taken from the books, normally at the end of the specific trading period, monthly, biannually, or annually. for the purpose of checking the arithmetical accuracy of the postings and increasing the convenience of the work of the accountant or bookkeeper in creating financial summaries, often with a view of to preparing revenue trading accounts and balance sheet. So, ito po example ng ating trial balance. Yun ito, cash, accounts receivable, accounts payable, inventory, mortgage, loan, furniture, capital purchases, sales, carriage expenses, at iba pa. Ito yung mga account number nila, at ito yung mga balances nila sa debit at credit. So, pwede nyo po itong maging reference po sa paggawa nyo ng trial balance. Ito po ang ating references. Salamat po sa pakikinig ninyo. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates sa pinagaling sa amin ni Ate. That's it. Ito po si Ken. And this is Ernie with Ken and Jen. Earn with us even in pajamas. Bye and have a good day.